Hi, I'm Lori Miller, and I'm going to be teaching this coming year. I'll be teaching Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. And so this video is for you, no matter which of these classes you're taking. I want you to know I love teaching math because it shows the order and the beauty and the mystery of God. It's easy to see the order of God in mathematical concepts, but sometimes my students miss the beauty and the mystery. I like to show them the beauty and the mystery in the common, ordinary, everyday mathematical concepts, but also in fun concepts like fractals and tessellation, or even with the number pi, which is an irrational concept, but it's based on a ratio. So how can it be irrational when it's based on a ratio? I love to show students that beauty and that mystery that the Lord has put into creation, specifically in the area of mathematics. In a typical week, I'll start each math class with a short Bible passage and with prayer. And then we cover questions about the homework. So students need to be prepared to present questions they have in the homework that they've dealt with that week. And then we practice all those concepts again. Sometimes we practice them in small groups and breakout rooms. Sometimes we work on them as a whole in a class. Sometimes we play a game like Kahoot or Jeopardy. But all those activities are designed to reinforce the concepts that the students have been working on during the week. The last 10 to 30 minutes of class, it depends on the concepts needed to be presented. I take time to present the new concepts that they're going to be encountering that week. And I'll give examples of them. If time, I have them try a few examples on their own. And then during the week, students will complete generally between 3 to 5 lessons in CTC math. There is a video associated with each lesson so they can hear the concept explained in a different way. And then they do practice questions. They have to reach at least 75% in order to complete that lesson. But if they complete that lesson, then the homework is successfully completed. I do believe in homework as a learning device. So as long as a student successfully completes a lesson, that student earns 100% in the homework. They may also need to complete a practice test or a test during the week, and those are also online. Occasionally, I have students work on CUDA-Works, which is another web-based program, but all it does is provide extra practice for the students in the various concepts. So that's a typical week. We come back the next week then and do the whole thing again. We review the concepts and then present new ones. Each CTC lesson a student does will take him or her about 15 to 30 minutes to complete. So it's not a huge commitment every day that they work on it. And if they do one lesson a day, then they will have it completed by the end of the week. Hope to see you next fall. I enjoy teaching math, and I hope that you're in my class this year.